In this quick video, I will show you how to build the first report using Power BI service. For this demonstration, I'll use a simple Excel file, and we can also review the main components in Power BI that was covered in the last video. So here we go. First, we need to access Power BI service, and for that we go to office.com and click on this Power BI tile. There is a redirect to app.powerbi.com. This is a Power BI service hosted by Microsoft, and I get to this Power BI service. The main thing here to pay attention to is this area, my workspace. Under my workspace, there are dashboards, reports, workbooks, and data sets. The most important thing that we are going to start with, of course, is data. The data will be imported here under data set. So I go in the left bottom corner and click on get data. There are different types of data that we can import, and for this tutorial I'm going to use a simple Excel file. So I click on get to get files, and then depending on where your file is stored, you select on specific storage. I select local file and give it file name. And here I get two options. One is to import, second one is upload. At this time I'm not going to cover these options, but I will select the option import. The data is imported in Power BI, and then you can see on the data set there is this financial sample, and also under the dashboard. So let's have a look at this data. So basically this is a blank page that where you can generate the report. First, you would need to add a specific data fields. Those are all data fields that we have based on that Excel table that was imported. And these visualizations are the things how the data will be represented. So as an example, we can take this map, and in the map we can of course add the country and let's say gross sales. And here is a nice dashboard, nice visual, or this it's called a tile in Power BI. And in this tile we can see different areas based on the gross sales. We can also create a second one if I just click somewhere here, and then let's say do a pie chart. And pie chart I could do like a year, maybe sales and profit and the product, something like this. And it generates a nice pie chart with different segments and like profit, sales, etc. With this area here, you can format your tiles a little bit, and when you're ready, basically you can save this report. I'm going to save this very simple report here. I give it a name, test 2, because there are two tiles. And now under reports, we see this test 2 report, and it's based on this data set. So I hope you learned how to create your first report. It's very simple. The main part is to prepare the data. In this case, I'm using very nice structured data provided by Microsoft. But if your data is a little bit raw, it has to be prepared. And for that, we'll go in the next couple of videos. But for now, at least there is a small sense of accomplishment. You created your first report, And thank you for watching and happy learning. If you have some questions, please put them in the comments. Bye bye.